Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the stubborn daughter indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the stubborn daughter indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 40 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 473 indicators, with 193 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. All right, so today's indicator is the stubborn daughter indicator. And you can kind of see it here on screen. And so basically, it is a bar coloration type setup on this indicator here. And what we are looking for is when we get a green candle, we are going to go long. When we get a red candle, we are going to go short. And so reasonably simple setup. I know we're not a huge fan of indicators that color the bars, but in this particular case, there's really no other way to use this that I can see, and so we're going to have to deal with the bar coloration in this case. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this indicator. Alright, so you see the first signal right here that we get is a green candle, so that's going to be a long. Unfortunately, we're not able to get to take profit. We just kind of barely missed it there before price dropped to the downside here, recovered just a little bit, then dropped a little bit more, giving us this red candle right here for a short signal. And you can see that price action drops down pretty nicely there, getting us to take profit on that one. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so we pick up a short right here on this one. It comes down, again, barely missing the take profit on that one before price action starts to take off to the upside. Comes down, recovers just a little bit, giving us another short signal red bar right there. That almost immediately gets stopped out on the next bar, does immediately get stopped out on the next bar with a long signal green bar. That one does come up nicely there, enough to get us to take profit before it starts to then drop out to the downside there. All right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay is posting regular market analysis and some of the regular members, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And the patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own accounts. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, which we've recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get the Excel sheet as well as the PDF file. And that shows exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to the Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. Shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. Our admin Rob is posting regular scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanners, his own personal scanners that he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets an alert to the scanner, he'll post it in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. Another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together an amazing team of traders, coders, and developers. And together they have created a full suite of optimized profitable indicators that they are giving away to all the patrons absolutely free. They're working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once they do that, they'll be offering those to all the traders also. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, let's take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus here. All right, so let's count these out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38. So we have 38 trades altogether, 38 signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. It tried, but unfortunately was not able to make it to the 60% criteria. And interesting enough, not only was this one an overtrader, which is typically a pretty good sign of a losing indicator, but this indicator is actually based off of a few different moving averages and the way they interact with each other and interact with price action. And so, as we've said many times before, moving averages really do not seem to be the best way to determine your entry into trades when it comes to the way it interacts with price action. And so this one kind of highlights that as well, even with multiple moving averages set to different periods, interacting in different ways, we seem to still get the same problem. And that's where we run into these moments where we get pinballed, bounced in and out of the market, one candle right after another. There seems to be just something about the way single oscillating lines or moving averages interact with price action that it causes this effect to happen. And so this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.